This morning, when we started our car, we noticed this warning message in the cockpit of our car. It says, check emission system. We are using Honda Civic 1.8L, which is similar to the picture here. When the car engine is running, we notice that there are no abnormal sound and we can drive the car normally without any issues. So I started Googling on YouTube about the message, check emission system. And I found this video on YouTube, which is very helpful. Special thanks to Fix It, whose video has helped many people out there who's facing similar issue. Then I decided to open my car hood and inspect the issue directly. To my surprise, I've noticed the same exact hole as Fix It Car in his YouTube video. Just a sense of relief, but I just call up the service center just to be sure what's going on here. So the person on the line says that yes, the parts will need to be replaced. The name of the part is called air cleaner intake hose, which you can buy from eBay or get it from your nearest mechanic store. But you'll need to check the computerized system as well. There's a code that will indicate what is actually wrong. It could be other parts of the engine. So with a computerized inspection, they'll be able to pinpoint to the exact parts which needs to be replaced. So then I call up my mechanic friend and he said he got the parts and he can do the computerized system after that just to check, make sure everything is all right. So I went there, I got the part fixed, and everything is all right from the computerized system. And here's the results. All right, now let's try to start the engine. As you can see, no more warning lights for the check emission system. I hope this video will help everyone else as well. Share it with your friends and family. Don't forget to hit that like and also that bell icon. Thank you guys. See you guys next time.